Oh my god, look at all that snow. As you guys can see, my entire backyard is covered in the white stuff. I feel like froze over the entire state of Michigan. And it's just so freezing outside, guys. Like, it's cold. It's cold. Alright, so I got my new boots, and what's funny is I did not initially like them when I took them out the box. And I was like, oh, these things are too big. Oh my god, did I get the right size? They suggested a 9-10 because I am an 8.5, so I just went with that. Amazon, okay. You did your girl justice. So, what I do like about these boots is that they are very comfy. They are very warm. I mean, extremely warm, guys. Like warm. And I absolutely thought that these were so squishy inside. I feel like I am floating on a literal cloud of a marshmallow of fluff. As you can see, I am just like frolicking around. I'm testing it out. Like, there's some serious snow in here, guys, and it's very cold. I mean, it's like 7 degrees during this time, and it got to like -1. So big ups to these moon boots, these Steve Madden moon boots, and I think these are so awesome. The link will be in my comments. Thank you guys for watching. See you later.